everyone, happy July 4th. Here's the chef, LeBron.
Our LeBronosaurus chef.
Today, we're going to make Obama's favorite burger chain, Five Guys style burgers with the sea salt French fries. Let's begin.
Preheat your cast iron pan to high. Turn on your pan for frying to high. Add your canola oil. Fill the pan about halfway. Wash some iceberg lettuce and set it aside. Cut a few slices of a white or yellow onion. Two russet potatoes. Cut these into French fry size pieces. Once your pan's heated up, you can turn it off. This is about 1.5 tablespoons of butter, and you want to put it in your pan because we're going to toast our buns. We chose a sesame seed bun in honor of Five Guys. You want to get your buns nice and toasty like that. Turn off your heat, and we're going to work on the fries. Fry oil is inching up above 300 degrees. I'm going to say that this is ready to put some fries in. You put your heat up to medium-high. We're going to do a double fry French fry. So we're going to get these nice and tender, take them out of the oil, and then put them back in the oil after they've had a chance to cool down a little bit. While the fries are on their first fry, we're going to finish making our patties. This is about 3/4 pound of ground beef, 80/20, and we form them into 4 balls and press them down. So I'm going to press these ones down too. Move around the fries since it's been a little over a minute that they've been frying. It's been about 3 minutes, and I'm going to take out the fries for their first fry. I have about a tablespoon of olive oil in here. And it's starting to smoke up, so it's ready to put 2 patties in there. Put salt and pepper on top. It's about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Refry our French fries. Take a look at our burgers. Some more salt and pepper. Make sure to separate the fries from one another. 2 slices of American cheese. Five Guys puts the 2 slices in the middle. So I'm going to start to get this melted just a little bit. Onion on the bottom. And then the tomato and lettuce on top. And all this needs are fries. Fries are ready to go. Sprinkle immediately with sea salt. You can be very generous.
want to try the French fries? You want to try the French fries? You want to try the French fries? Okay, right hand. Good boy. Left hand. Good boy. Eat. I can tell you love it. I'm ready. She's ready. Let's try this. All right.
I'm gonna just get lettuce.
This is way better than Five Guys French fries. Make sure you double fry it. It's very crunchy outside and also soft inside. That concludes our video. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!